friends, I'm Choco Banana. Today's story is Ellie and the Waterhole. Ellie the elephant and her friends were looking for water in a dry, hot forest. Ellie remembered a story about a hidden waterhole behind whispering rocks. She walked far, past cactus and dust, until she saw green leaves and chirping birds. There it was, the secret waterhole. Ellie found it. She brought her friends. They splashed and played, thanks to brave Ellie. Moral of the story: believe in old wisdom and never be afraid to lead. Please like, share, and subscribe Choco Banana. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.